Hello, Vancouver Island. This is Naomi from BcEbike giving you a virtual tour of our e-bike shop, as well as a brief introduction of what we're all about. Here at BcEbike, we service and repair all brands of e-bikes. Whether it's a flat tire, general tune-up, or an electrical issue, our team is happy to help you get back on the road. If you do have any electrical issues with a brand that we do not carry, make sure you contact your brand and create a ticket with them before you do bring your bike in for any electrical related issues. Once you do plan to bring your bike to us, you can just drop it off during our open hours. There's no appointment needed. If you're thinking about buying your first e-bike or ready to upgrade your current ride, our staff are passionate bike nerds, so feel free to ask us anything. We're here to give you honest, straightforward advice so you can find the right bike for your needs. Back at our bike store, we stock a wide range of quality e-bike brands, including Surface 604, Aventon, NCM, and Velic, as well as other models that get added to our website. We're located just off of Maxi Road in Nanaimo, so if you're on your way here and thinking to yourself, is there really a bike shop here? You're in the right place. This rural road offers a great experience for you to take some of our bikes out on a demo ride. We recommend to anyone buying an e-bike to ride it before you buy it, and you can do that by booking a demo ride on our website. We hope to see you soon. From all of us at BcEbike, happy riding.